Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we will show you how to make cottage cheese at home. It's a one-ingredient recipe made from buttermilk. You can use any buttermilk. We make buttermilk at home. Find a link to the homemade buttermilk recipe in the description below. It's easy to make and you will save a lot of money. Pour 1 gallon of buttermilk into a non-reactive or stainless steel casserole. It's better to use a double-bottom casserole. Close the lid, heat buttermilk at low temperature from 140 to 180 Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. If you want to make cottage cheese for baking, then it should be dry, so heat it up to 180 Fahrenheit. If you want it to be creamy, stay at low bound of the temperature range, about 140 Fahrenheit. The temperature varies in different spots. Measure the temperature at the center of the casserole for consistency. Close the lid, remove from the stove and let it cool down to a room temperature. Now you may pour milk mixture into the cheesecloth to separate the curds from the whey. Anyway, for better results, we recommend to keep it overnight in the fridge, because the cheesecloth will retain more curds at low temperature. Now, take the cheesecloth and create a pouch by making a knot at the top. You may collect the whey and use it for making other recipes such as ricotta cheese, crepes, dough, pancakes, and many others. We are planning to share our favorite recipes with you soon. Stay tuned. Allow the cottage cheese to hand for a few hours. Usually it takes from 2 to 4 hours. The cottage cheese is ready now. It's creamy and soft. You can serve it immediately with berries or jam. By the way, our favorite is a sweetened condensed milk. Click here to watch how to make buttermilk. I want to say big thank you to all our subscribers, and if you are not a subscriber yet, press the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our yummy and easy recipes for busy families.